it look better?
It's really good.
That's really good.
Amazing.
Small scale RMC.
That's like putting Warwick Davies and Mike Tyson in the ring and having Warwick Davies.
It's okay, right?
It's not about the time, it's about what you do with your time.
That is so good.
That's where the guy stands on the brake run with the t-shirt.
Yeah.
That says,
Good.
fuck slow, go fast.
Yeah.
He stood right there.
Or it was something like that. It was right after the...
I did not expect
Oh god, did that ruin Goliath?
that was great.
That's a better RMC, I think.
If only Storm Chase was in Happy Kingdom, that's like similar to Goliath Pro. Exactly as much as this.